Hello, thank you for choosing Paul Sherry RVs. Today we're going to be having a look at a 2012 Forest River Cherokee Gray Wolf 29BH. This trailer only weighs 6,100 pounds, so you can tow this with most of your half-ton pickup trucks. Just up front, we have a big storage container here. Two 30-pound LP tanks. Access to the water heater. Cable hook up here. Small storage compartment here. Fresh water connection and city water connection. This trailer is a 30 amp service. Our storage in here. This does come with a spare tire. This 29BH has an outside kitchen, large refrigerator, and a 2-burner gas grill top here. So he has a large awning, 2 outside speakers, and there's a TV bracket as well if you wanted to mount a television out here. You got the bedroom up front. This area here is, you attach a TV and this will rotate around so you can watch it in the living area if you like, or you can watch it in here. Storage up top and on the sides. And a little bit of storage underneath there. Got a sofa, jackknifes down into a bed. Microwave, oven, electric and propane refrigerator, large U-shaped dinette whole family can sit at, also drop down into a bed. Okay, we got the bathroom, skylight, more storage here. Got 3 bunks back here. Storage underneath this one. Storage here. Here. And there's a ladder to get up. Once again, folks, this is a 2012 Forest River Cherokee Gray Wolf 29BH. This trailer weighs 6,130 pounds. This is Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come check us out.
Shopping for an RV can be very difficult. There's so many makes and models to choose from. And how do you ever know if you're going to get a good deal on what you're buying? My name is Mike Sherry and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Our goal is to make your RV buying experience as fun and painless as possible, and of course, provide you with the best deal in the market. But don't take my word for it. Go online and read all of our reviews from happy customers of ours. Feel free to call, email, or chat into us with any questions you might have.